The xTool RA2 Pro Rotary Kit stands out as a versatile tool, capable of handling a wide range of cylindrical objects for engraving, from wine glasses to baseball bats. It offers impressive speed and accuracy, with its ability to smoothly engrave at a speed of 360 degrees per second, ensuring detailed and precise results. Designed specifically for the xTool M1, it complements the laser cutter's robust structure and high-resolution capabilities, making it ideal for intricate engraving tasks. Crafted from durable anodized aluminum alloy, the RA2 Pro is built to last, featuring a corrosion-proof coating and a design that accommodates extra-long and irregular cylinders. The kit is user-friendly with its pre-assembled modular design, allowing for easy setup and adjustments, making it a plug-and-play solution for laser engraving enthusiasts. xTool provides exceptional customer support, ensuring that users have access to professional technical assistance and guidance whenever needed.